Welcome to Health Tips by SHAH.
Beets are a root vegetable that slightly resemble turnips. They typically have a rough outer skin that covers their root, which is attached to their long green stem and leaves. Early evidence shows that beet greens were used for food, while the roots had medicinal uses. Some people also use the greens to heal wounds. Though they're best known for their deep red color, beets actually come in several shades. Most stores stock red beets, so you may have to go to the farmer's market or specialty food store to find less common types. When it comes to beets, opinions are fiercely divided. Some people love them and others loathe them. If you've ruled beets out, this video might just convince you to give them a second chance. Stay tuned for some of the biggest health benefits of beets, including beetroot juice and leaves. 1. They can lower blood pressure. The nitrate content of beets is converted to nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow. This is beneficial on the cardiovascular system and helps reduce blood pressure. Participants in one study found that within 6 hours of drinking beet juice, their blood pressure levels were significantly lower. Another study found that drinking a glass of beet juice lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 4 to 5 points. It's thought that nitric oxide dilates blood vessels, improves flow of blood and lowers blood pressure. 2. They can make you a better athlete. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow, which helps move oxygen throughout your body. Endurance athletes often drink beetroot juice. Better oxygen to improve means that the athlete's heart and lungs don't have to work so hard during exercise, allowing them to perform vigorous activity for longer. Beets can also increase time to exhaustion in athletes. In other words, drinking beet juice before exercise seems to prevent fatigue and muscle exhaustion. It's not clear whether this is because muscle damage lessens or because repair is enhanced, but either way, the results are positive. Studies suggest that beetroot juice should be consumed within 90 minutes of starting athletics for the best outcomes. 3. They can reduce inflammation in your body. The betalain in beets can reduce inflammation, which researchers theorize is partially due to its ability to interfere with the inflammatory signaling process. The anti-inflammatory effects of betalain are so promising that some researchers believe beetroot extract supplements could rival the benefit of certain synthetic drugs. 4. They can improve your digestive health. Beets are high in fiber, which is good for your gut. The fiber in beets resists digestion in the stomach and small intestine and travels intact into the colon, where health-promoting gut bacteria ferment it and use it for food. The fiber also provides roughage that moves food through your intestines. Eating enough fiber protects against constipation, hemorrhoids, colon cancer, acid reflux, ulcers, and obesity. 5. They're good for your brain. Many cognitive diseases appear to be triggered by an interruption in nitric oxide pathways. It makes sense then that nitrates in beets can help improve brain function by increasing oxygen flow. One recent study demonstrated the ability of beet juice to improve blood flow to the brain during exercise. None of the participants exercised regularly, and all were on blood pressure medication. They were asked to exercise for 50 minutes, 3 times per week for 6 weeks on a treadmill. Half drank high nitrate beet juice concentrate before exercise and half drank an identically flavored and colored placebo drink with almost zero nitrates. Those who consumed the beet juice showed more improved function in the areas of the brain related to motor control, emotion, and cognition, compared to those in the placebo group. 6. they have cancer-fighting properties. Beets are known to have antioxidant properties, which protect cells from free radicals, most specifically the betanin in beets has been studied for its ability to protect against cancer. Some researchers even see the potential for beet extracts for use in chemotherapy. Of course, we don't have to wait until cancer strikes to start taking advantage of the cancer-fighting properties of your immunity. Beets are high in zinc, copper, and vitamins A and C, all nutrients known to boost immunity. Vitamin A increases antibody production and stimulates your white blood cells, which help ward off infections. Beets also contain iron, which is needed to carry oxygen throughout your body, keep your cells strong, and enhance immune defense. 8. They can boost your libido. The use of beets as an aphrodisiac date back to the time of the Romans, who attributed the beauty and allure of Aphrodite, the goddess of love, to her insatiable appetite for beets. Beets are rich in the mineral boron, which plays a role in sex hormone production. The effectiveness of dietary nitrates in beets to enhance blood flow can benefit sexual health as well. 9. They are good for your eyes. It's no surprise that eating fruits and vegetables is good for your eyes, especially those with rich pigments. Beets contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are well studied for their positive impact on vision. Consuming these carotenoids can prevent and slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration. 10. They're good for your liver. Beets have an abundance of nutrients that keep your liver healthy, such as iron, antioxidants, betaine, and vitamin B. Beetroot helps protect the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation. Additionally, pectin, a water-soluble fiber in beets, helps flush out toxins from the liver. 11. They improve heart health. Betaine found in beets has been proven to lower levels of homocysteine, which can be harmful to blood vessels. The fiber in beets also helps prevent heart disease, as it strips excess LDL cholesterol from the walls of the blood vessels and eliminates it from the body quickly. The presence of folate vitamin B9 in beets has a therapeutic effect on the heart, and betaine helps alleviate angina pain and shortness of breath. By reducing blood pressure, it can naturally support the vascular system. Antioxidants in beets prevent bad cholesterol from depositing in the walls of the arteries and protects the heart from potential heart attacks. 12. They help your body detox. Beets support detoxification of the whole body and strengthen the immune system. Studies have shown that beetroot is one of the most potent antioxidant drinks of all the vegetable and fruit juices. The pigments in beets assist the phase 2 detoxification process, where broken down toxins are bound to other molecules, so they can be excreted from your body. This helps purify the blood in your liver. 13. They reduce the risk of strokes. A deficiency of potassium increases the risk of strokes, and so it makes sense that beetroot, which is rich in potassium, is recommended to improve heart health and decrease stroke risk. Potassium relaxes the blood vessels and reduces blood pressure throughout the body. Blood clots are less likely to form when blood pressure is reduced, and vessels and arteries are no longer contracted. They may delay aging. Beet greens contain vitamin A and carotenoids that can benefit you from the inside out. They also contain a decent amount of lutein, another potent antioxidant. These fight free radicals and can play a role in human skin photoprotection. However, there's no direct research of beets delaying the signs of aging as of yet, so take this one with a pinch of salt. 15. they promote skin health. Beets contain vitamin A, which helps maintain healthy mucous membranes, improves skin health, and supports the daily replacement of skin cells. Beets are also good sources of vitamin C. Studies show that fibroblasts need vitamin C to synthesize collagen, which causes skin suppleness and elasticity. Vitamin C also protects the skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation and minimizes the formation of raised scars. 16. They may boost hair growth. Beetroot contains carotenoids, which allow for better blood circulation in the scalp and nourish the hair follicles from within. Carotenoids also reinforce and smooth hair, making it ideal for more fragile hair types and helping with split ends. To use beetroot for your hair, applying it directly to your scalp works best. One popular at-home recipe includes the juice of 2 beetroots, freshly grated ginger juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix these ingredients to form a paste and work it all the way into your scalp to the tips of your hair. Keep it on your hair for around 15 to 20 minutes. And stay in your bathroom for this one, as you don't want beetroot stains on your furniture. Then wash it off and 17. follow with your usual
They
shampoo.
improve
Digestion. Regular consumption of beet or beet products has been found to improve digestion and blood quality. Some evidence suggests that white beets can also open obstructions of the liver and spleen, but research is limited. Red beets may be useful in treating illnesses related to the digestive system and blood. They've been used for this purpose for years. It's believed that Romans used beets to treat constipation and other related ailments. As they're rich in fiber, beets may help treat inflammation of the intestine. Fiber also aids bowel movement and enhances the overall health of the digestive system. As you can see, beets are a vibrant, nutritious, and underappreciated vegetable. Despite the great divide when it comes to taste preference, beets offer many benefits, from your heart to your brain, to your overall disease-fighting immunity.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.